In this video, you'll learn how to manage your scheduled game sessions, editing, rescheduling, and canceling as needed. Plans change, and Splitcast makes it easy to adjust. You'll need at least one scheduled session to manage. If you haven't scheduled one yet, watch the previous video first. From your dashboard, go to the Schedules tab. Here you'll see all your upcoming scheduled sessions listed by date and time. Each entry shows the game name, destination, web or device, and the scheduled start time. Need to change the settings? Click Reschedule on any scheduled session to open it. You can update the destination, switch between web and device, change the paired Roku or Fire TV, or adjust session options like hide questions on mobile and the lobby countdown. Click Update Schedule to apply your changes. The session stays scheduled at the same time with your new settings. Need a different date or time? Click Reschedule. Use the date and time picker to select a new slot. Remember, the time shown uses your account time zone. Click Update Schedule to save your changes. Your session moves to the new time. Players who have the join link can still use it when the new time arrives. If you need to cancel entirely, click Cancel. You'll be asked to confirm. Once canceled, the session is removed from the schedule and won't start automatically. If players try to join using an old game code, they'll see a message that the session is no longer available. You can also verify your scheduled sessions from the player side. Go to splitcast.games and enter a game code for a scheduled session. If the session hasn't started yet, players will see a countdown showing when the game begins. This is a great way to test that everything is set up correctly before your event. Common issue. Overlap errors when rescheduling? A device can only run one session at a time. If you're trying to reschedule to a time slot that conflicts with another session on the same device, you'll see an error. Adjust the time or choose a different device to resolve it. You've learned how to edit, reschedule, and cancel scheduled sessions. Next, we'll explore the Community tab, where you can browse games created by other users and find inspiration for your own.